Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to reopen a closed survey in SurveyMonkey. So I am here on my homepage. As you can see, this one right here is closed. All you need to do is come and click on these three dots and then click here on Edit Survey. So as you can see, this one is called Shortlisting. We'll come back to this and I'll show you it being opened. So once this page loads up, I want you to come here at the top panel, click on Collect Responses. Okay, and here you will be able to see all your different survey collectors. So whatever that is having a status of closed, go ahead and change this to open. So click on these three dots, then click on Open Collector. There we go. Click again on Open Collector and just repeat the same process for each one of them. And this one is the last one. And after this, we would go to our home page. Remember, it's called Shortlisting. I'll click here on home and you should now see it as open, right? And there you go, moment of truth. You should see it right here. There you go. That is how you reopen a closed survey in SurveyMonkey.